Hi, everyone. Welcome to our webinar. Thank you for connecting. We're just waiting a little bit to have more people connecting right now. Thank you for your time. Perfect. Good evening for everyone who is in Australia. I know we have some people who registered there overseas, so good morning for you as well. Today, our webinar, we're going to be talking about your pathway to success by completing an internship in Australia. Today, you're going to find out how an internship can shape your professional journey in Australia. Perfect. We have more people connecting, so let's wait a little couple of seconds. Welcome, everyone. Okay, so let's do it. Welcome. My name is Victoria. I'm the marketing executive here at Australian Internships. Before we start, please use the question and answer section in your screen to send all your questions during your presentation. My colleague Nee will be answering all your questions during your webinar. If I have time at the end, I'll be happy to run through some of questions as well. If by any chance we don't reply to any of your questions, just send us an email to info@internships.com.au and I'll be happy to clarify any of your questions, okay? Today we'll be also recording this webinar. So if you missed any information or if you didn't have the chance to watch it today, you're going to receive the webinar via email and you're going to post on our socials as well. If you registered for this webinar and you are also watching, you have the chance of winning our scholarship. So that means you're going to have your whole program with no cost. So good luck, everyone. We're going to announce the winner for the scholarship next month on our socials, and also you're going to receive via email as well. Okay, so today you're gonna have an overview of internships programs in Australia. To start, we're going to talk about Australian internships, who we are, what is an internship in Australia, the reasons why you should complete an internship here. We're going to give an overview of all our programs, how do we start it, all the documentations that you need step by step, and what support to expect from us. Okay, so who is Australian Internships? So we were created in 1998, so we completed 25 years February. So we're the first internship provider in Australia, and we're still the market leader in the segment. So we offer internships in most academic fields, so from business, IT, marketing, the hospitality, childcare, engineering. So for most of fields, we'll be happy to assist you with an internship. We have over 8,000 host organizations all over Australia, so not only in the main big cities, but also in remote and regional areas. We have educational providers all over the country as well. We work with UQ, we work with University of Melbourne, University of Sydney, with Curtin University in Perth. So we have many education providers who choose Australia's internships to provide the internship for their students. We have placed more than 15,000 interns from over 90 nationalities, so we are very happy with the diversity of our interns, and we are also approved sponsor for the 407 training visa. So not only we can assist students that are in Australia, but we can also bring students and recent graduates from overseas to complete the internship here. So what is an internship? So internship can be different in each country. Many of you come to us and looking for an internship, expecting the same definition of the internship as a country back home, but it's slightly different in each place. So in Australia, internship defined by the Fair Work Australia is when you work for a business to gain experience in your specific occupation, your field of studies. So the internship is for you to transition for your study to the work environment. So must be very clear during your internship that is The main reason for you to complete that is to learn and to gain experience, to get training in your field of study. So what is an internship in Australia? So internship here is defined by the Fair Work as on-the-job training. It can be on-site, on virtual, can go from 6 weeks to 26 weeks. Cannot do longer than 26 weeks. If past 26 weeks, it must be paid. You can do in a part-time or in a full-time basis according to your viability and also with your visa work restrictions. Must be directly related to your field of study. So if you are studying IT, you must complete your internship in IT. It will be always an entry-level position, focusing on your training. And it's usually unpaid. In most of cases, unpaid because what you are gaining with the internship is the training in your career, the training in your field of study. And it can be for academic credits. A lot of universities require you to complete an internship for your academic credits or also for career enhancement. The reasons why you should complete an internship. So I have many reasons. I just list a couple. The main thing, the first one I'm going to say is you transitioning from your classroom to your workplace. It's for you to understand how the real work in your field of study works in a daily basis. You're going to gain real work experience aligned to your field of study. So you're going to develop business communication skills. You're going to learn how a corporate environment it is in Australia. You're going to create a network in your field. You're going to create connections in your industry. It's a great chance for you to test your career, to have a taste of the different areas in your field of study. You're going to also become more confident and employable, going to boost your resume and gain experience. In many cases, your internship is the first chance you have to have a referee in your resume, to later on be able to get a reference letter from someone from your field. You're going to have the chance of being mentored by experienced professionals who are going to guide you through your whole internship and give you tips, show you how the real work happens for your field of study. You're going to be involved in real projects. You're going to learn the industry. You're going to understand deeply how the industry that you choose to work, how that works in a daily basis. Now we're going to give you an overview of what Australian Internships offers. So first, you're going to have a tailored internship in an Australian company. So we're going to match your internships with your skills, with your objectives. You're going to have an individual interview preparation and coaching. We're going to monitor you through your entire internship. So after you commence your internship, we're going to keep in touch with you. You want to make sure everything is okay. You're going to have access to regular career blogs and advice. Your resume and a letter of objectives based on Australia standards. Orientation and cultural support. We're going to understand your individual needs, want to be happy to assist you during the whole program. And also, you're going to have a 24 hours emergency support number if anything happens to you. So let's go over all programs that Australian internships currently offer. So our focus today is mainly on candidates that are onshore, they're already in Australia. So we have a professional internship programs that cover most of fields, business, marketing, IT, accounting. We offer this program all over Australia. It can go from 6 weeks to 26 weeks and is non-paid. We have our STEM internship program for the fields of science, technology, engineering, mathematics. So it goes from 12 to 26 weeks. And it's also non-paid and all over Australia as well. So those are the two programs, mostly if you're already onshore in Australia, if you study any of those fields that I said, please contact us and we can help you with an internship. We also have a stipend internship program. In this case, it's only for the fields of marketing, HR, and events management. For this program specific, experience is required. A minimum of 4-month experience is required because the company offers you an allowance. So they offer you an allowance for meals, for transportation, and goes from 20 or 26 weeks. And you have our 2 paid programs. That is the hospitality internship program, where you bring a lot of students from overseas to complete their internship in food and beverage, front office, or culinary. You also have a new childcare program as well that is paid. That is for early childhood educators and early childhood teachers. How do you start it? How to apply for an internship with us? So the first thing is to send us those 5 documents. Then we do the free assessment of your eligibility. You only need to send us your documents to our email that you can see on your screen. It's info@internships.com.au. We're going to review everything and confirm if you're eligible for programs. So what we need from you is a copy of your passport and your visa. If you're international students, we just need to make sure you have your work rights and your visa work requirements. A copy of your transcripts, because we need to make sure that your internship is related to your field of study. It don't need to be official from the university. You can get from the website. That is not a problem if you're still a student. We need a copy of your resume. You have on our website a template that you can use, and also a letter of objectives. Please have a look on our website to have a look on our templates. The letter of objective is very similar to a cover letter, but you also give us the guidance to source for organization for you to complete your internship. We want to understand the tasks you want to do, the skills you're going to develop during your internship. So it's very similar to a cover letter, but look at our websites to have a look at our templates and send us all those documents so you can confirm your eligibility. Let's go step by step of the application process. So please bear in mind that this application process that I'm running now, it's for onshore applicants. So if you are here in Australia, this is the application process. If you are offshore or if you have a visa involved, it will be slightly different. So please send us your documents to our email. We'll be able to explain step by step in a case by case, okay? So step number 1, after you send your documents for assessment, we confirm that you're eligible. We will invite you to apply for the program. So you're going to have access to a portal. So this is the step number 1. Step number 2, once you get the access to a portal, to a website, you're going to upload all your documents and also your video application. It's a very simple video you make with your phone. We just want to see your communication skills and also have more guidance to source for an internship for you that will match your skills and your desire for your career. After you send all your documents and your video, our programs admissions team review everything, prepare your profile, and send you the letter of acceptance. So once you receive the letter of acceptance, we have your internship program supervisor and your internship program manager start working in your application. So we start negotiating your internship with the industry. We connect your profile with the companies. And during that period, your IPS also start communicating with you for your preparation, for your coach, for your interview. We want to understand your needs because our goal at this stage is prepare you for successful interview. Step number 4, you're going to participate in an interview that can be face-to-face or virtual. And step number 5, after successful interview, you have the confirmation of your internship. We create the training agreement. So the training agreement is a document that will have complete information about your internship, all the tasks, how everything gonna work, and that document will be signed by us, by you, and the host organization. And you can start your program. What support can you expect from Australian internships? So the quality support you can expect from us. So you'll be assigned an internship program supervisor, and this person will provide you with personalized and individual training and guidance. So she'll contact you individually to give all the support and preparation for the interview. If we need, we're going to do mock interviews. We're going to understand your needs individually. We're going to coach you for the interview. You want to make sure that the interview is successful. And also, all the guidance you're going to have from her, you're definitely going to be able to use for the rest of your life, for the next interview you're going to have. So that is very, very, very good that you have this coaching and this preparation for your interview individual for you based on your needs. We prepare the training agreements. So the training agreements is also an individual document based on your skills, based on your profile, based on your field and your experience. It's important for us to understand that we're going to grow and be developing during your internship in your career. Your IPS is going to also monitor your satisfaction and growth while providing you with guidance and support during your internship program. So not only before the interview, your internship program supervisor is going to keep in touch with you during the whole program. We're going to monitor you. We're going to make sure that everything is going well. If we needed to action, if we needed to support you or anything, we're going to be in touch with you very often. We're not going to forget you after you start your program. All internships are customized and based on your skills and your abilities and your objectives. That is why you ask for all your documents, we ask for your letter of objectives, we ask for your video. We want to understand your desires for your internships. And your internship program manager, he will negotiate your internship with host organizations to match your skills, your experience, your objectives. Your internship will be always aligned with your studies. So if you're studying marketing, you're going to make an internship in marketing. If you're studying IT, you'll be in IT. And we're also going to source you for organization based on your location as well. We're going to make sure that you're going to be a reasonable distance for you to go for your internship. Hosts organizations. So we work with over 8,000 host organizations all over Australia in the most variety of fields. We are always growing this list. We always contact new organizations. We work with companies from small size to multinational. We always take your preference for your fields, for organization. We always take that in consideration as well. So if by any chance you have a list, you have companies, organizations that you want to work, let us know. We're going to reach out to them. We're going to contact, see if they have the viability to have an intern in there. Because as we said before, your internship needs to be based on your profile and you need to be trained. We need someone in the organization who's going to have the time to provide with the guidance to be a supervisor. So you need to check the viability of the organization to give you this training as well. So we're definitely going to contact the organization, and if they have a viability to have you in that, we'll be very happy to organize that. You're always going to have a mentor, a supervisor, someone from your field to guide you during your whole internships. And of course, in many cases, interns that performs well, they are offering employment after they complete the internship. We have many cases where the candidates call us, the organization call us and tell us that the intern was great and they are happy to keep the intern in there with a paid position. That depends, of course, and the candidates, how proactive, how interested he is with his internship. But we have many cases of successful stories of candidates with paid positions after. The lead time for us to negotiate your internships. As I said before, we want to match your profile to an internship that will be interesting for your career. So that takes time. Usually we say that for onshore applicants is around 2 to 3 months. for like business, marketing, IT, usually 2 months. Engineering, we request sometimes 3 months, just because we want to make sure of the quality of our programs as well. But always check with us. We're always going to let you know the lead time for your field regarding to your location as well. Always check with us, and we're going to keep you posted on that. The costs of an internship with us. So the cost of your internships depends on your fields, depend of the program that you'll be eligible for, and the length of your internship as well. So for that reason, this is a personalized quote. Send us an email with your fields, and we will send you an email back with all the information about your program and the cost for your internship. Vacancies. We always have vacancies available on our website. So please have a look, go to our website. We have many vacancies there that if you're looking for an internship to start immediately, that is a great way to have an internship to start in a couple of weeks. Now that you're going to your winter break, if you forgot about applying for an internship before and you still want to take that time to complete an internship during your break, have a look on our website. We have so many great positions available. Gold Coast in Brisbane, we have really good civil engineering positions open. If you want to start immediately, give us a call, send us an email with your resume. Have a look on our website. We have IT, accounting, HR positions, many vacancies all over Australia that if you're looking for an internship to start immediately, we'll be happy to assist you with that. Intern Stories, please have a look on our website as well. We have so many testimonials from our interns. You can see from your field, from different fields. This is the last one we got from Yash. He was a civil engineering student here in Brisbane, and he got a paid position after. We got so happy for him that he was offered a paid position at the company where he completed his internship. The company was very happy with him. He was he was a great intern. He was always open to help and very dedicated to his internship. And of course, he was offered a paid position and he's working with the host organization he completed his internship in. On our website, you see complete testimonial. He said he was very happy with the support we give, that we keep checking him during the whole program and we assist with anything he needed during the whole internship program. Our website is full of stories, so please have a look. They have the testimonials. So many candidates with paid positions after, from many nationalities, from different fields. So please have a look in there. And I'm sure you're gonna see many stories that are gonna motivate you even more to complete an internship in Australia. Thank you so much for your time, guys. Thank you so much for registering and watching our webinar today. I hope it helped. I hope I gave you the information that you need for you to be more interested in completing an internship in Australia with us. Please send us email. Send us email to info@internships.com.au. I'll be happy to reply to you, to assess your eligibility, to invite you to apply for your program. You have a phone there as well. If you have any question, please give us a call. I'll be happy to clarify any of your questions. Thank you so much for your time. Enjoy your evening if you're here in Australia. Enjoy your day if you're anywhere else all over the world. I hope to hear back from you soon. If your question was not answered during your webinar, please send us email and I'll be happy to assist. Okay, thank you.